Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So today is Inked Goddess unboxing. So let's see what we got. So Inked Goddess Creations is a subscription service. You can go to www.inkgoddesscreations.com. It's $35 a month for this box. She takes the money out. Her name's Morgan. She takes the money out on the 1st. It's usually shipped by the 4th and arrives at my house around the 9th or 10th. So I got it yesterday, which was the 9th, because I am filming this right before I post it. Anyway, this is what she's looking like. Alright, so you do get a card that tells you all the items in your box, and we're just going to do that. Alright, so first thing in the box is this. Let's see what it is. It says Dragon Magic Altar Cloth. Ooh, I love dragons. Set your altar space to practice dragon magic with our gorgeous altar cloth. This was designed in-house to help you tap into your dragon magic energy. I am Welsh, so dragon is part of the Welsh flag. Oh, that is beautiful. Loving that. All right. Just put this off to the side. So I'm going to take the paper off. Ooh, how exciting! All right. Oh my goodness. I love this. All right. So we have a little baggie here. And what I love about their stuff, if they send something that's liquid, it's always in one of these Ziploc bags. So Dragon Fire. Let's make sure it didn't leak, which it didn't. Can't smell it because it's closed. Dragon Fire Body Oil. So this is what she looks like. A unique blend of grapefruit, star anise, clove, and more to warm and motivate you while giving you a shield of shimmery, fiery protection and strength for your ritual or day. Shake well before each use to release the mica. Rub into your skin to use as a body oil, or add a few dropperfuls to a ritual bath before performing dragon magic. Look how pretty. Let's see if she Ooh. Oh, wait. Wait. Let's really give that a shake so you guys can see this. Shimmery. Nice. Okay. So there's that. So the next thing is Tiamat Herbal Offering. So it's in a tin. And it looks like that. Oh, man. It smells luscious. A blend of tarragon, clove, cedar, and more to give as an offering during your dragon magic ritual. You can also burn this on a charcoal disc as an herbal incense, or add a bit to a dragon magic spell bag. Nice. Alright, so then we have the dragon. Oh man, this box smells lovely. The Dragon Votive, a blend of ginger, cinnamon, and cedar for inner strength, confidence, and grounded protection. And it smells luscious. All right, so this is the Eclectic Witch deck, which you get cards like this. So this one, it says Dragon Realms Full Eclectic Witch Card Expansion Pack. 9 cards on dragon magic and various types of dragons that you can work with in your witchcraft practice. So they look like this. And each card gives you info on each thing. So there's that. You have to order the box to have that deck. It's worth it. Trust me. All right, so next. I am not sure. Whoops. All right, so the mini Book of Shadows page, because a lot of times you get, oh, sorry, it's not focusing. Anyway, this goes into your book of Shadows, a complete ritual using your box contents to help you connect with dragon energy. As dragon magic, the whole ritual is printed out. All right. So let's go to this. This is Black Obsidian Dragon Glass inside a velvet dragon bag. Ooh, look at that. You got to see the big hunk of obsidian I have on my front porch. It's massive. Anyway, this is beautiful. Dragon Glass is the name for black obsidian in the popular book and TV series Games of Thrones. It's a volcanic glass that is highly protective and can root you down deeply into the earth for grounding and deepening your shadow work practice with dragons. Look how pretty. Beautimous. Look at that bag. Cutesy. All right. Next up is, it looks like an incense burner. This is so fun. I love this box. I really do. All right, so mini dragon. Oh my goodness, is it beautiful. Incense burner. So there's the top of it. And the lid comes off. And there, I'm going to try to hold it up so you can see the sides. Those little dragons. This cute little incense burner is the perfect size for cone incense, or use it as an offering bowl for your Tiamat herbal offering blend. If yours contains a small felt pad inside, place that under the burner to protect your surface from heat, which mine does. And see, that's reflective, so you place it like that with the foil side up. Okay, last but not least, Puff the Magic Dragon incense cones. Pretty. They look like that. They're just cone incense. This cute little cleanse your space and set the mood for dragon magic with this fresh incense handcrafted in India. Now, anything with the 3-star, like the 3 asterisks or 2, is exclusive to Inked Goddess, which would be the Dragon Cloth, the Dragon Fire Body Oil, the Herbal Offering, the Dragon Votive. Those are all exclusive. So I'm going to show you the card. You can freeze it for the information. So that was our Inked Goddess Creations box. We got the body oil, the votive, the herbal blend, the obsidian, cone incense, the cards, the incense burner, and the Book of Shadows page. So that was this month's Inked Goddess Creations. Please go check her out. I mean, see if you'd be interested. It's $35 a month, which includes your shipping. And like I said, it comes out the first of the month and usually arrives no later than the 10th. The boxes are great. I've never received a bad box. So there's that. So until next Wednesday, we'll see you later. Bye.